ProductionCrate has just launched its latest ground impact and earthquake VFX collection. These 4K effects are available in real time or slow motion speeds. To get started, download your favorite effect and import it to your footage. For the best results, simply use an overlay transfer mode. You can fix the transparent areas by duplicating the effect with a normal blending mode and hiding the bright areas with an extract filter. The same technique can be applied to the earthquake cracks. Use a combination of an overlay layer and a normal blending mode layer with an extract filter for unbeatable compositing. To realistically move the ground as it rips open, begin by duplicating the effect and naming it Displacer. Pre-compose it and enable continuous rasterization. With a curves effect, create an inverted curve in the alpha channel that begins halfway up and slopes down to 0. Duplicate the background and add a displacement map effect, and set the layer to the displacement layer. Using the alpha channel, the vertical displacement can then control how deep the crack pulls the surface down. Re-enable the top 2 layers and you're done. You can even try using the top view ground crack assets in your 3D projects. Here I have applied it as an animated emissive texture on a planet. Coming soon is a new plugin for After Effects called Forge. One awesome new feature is the ability to remap textures using a UV pass. Some of our new VFX have these available as EXR sequences. The process begins by importing the EXR onto your footage in a 32-bit project. Using the extractor effect, reveal the UV channel. Now duplicate the background layer and name this Remapped Texture, and select this as the remapped texture in your crack UV layer. By using the UV scale sliders, try to align the background image so that it perfectly fits inside the shape. When you play the video, you can see that it follows the movements in the cracks. In our remapped texture layer, add a CC power pin effect, and place each corner to each corner of the surface. Then, click on Unstretch to make the texture wrap onto the crack UV surface. By checking Alpha Mask, we can then remove the unwanted background. To fill in the crack, we will use another layer and extract the puzzle mat. The interior is represented with the green channel, which we will isolate and turn white. This can then be used as a luma mask for a diffuse layer beneath it. Additionally, we have a shadow pass, which when inverted can be used to darken the inside of the crack. After this, you're done. We would love to see what you create with these new effects. Tag us in your creations and remember to make it awesome.